How can scientists grow crops inside a laptop? No soil, no rain, no tractors, no real farm, just a computer. It sounds impossible, but this is already happening today. Scientists are now creating virtual farms using something called crop models. And honestly, this technology may completely change the future of farming. Imagine building a digital wheat field inside a computer. The computer knows the soil, the weather, the crop type, the fertilizer, the irrigation, the sunlight, and even the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Then something incredible happens. The computer begins to grow the crop day by day, almost like a real farm. It can simulate roots growing underground, leaves capturing sunlight, water moving through soil, nitrogen feeding the crop, heat stress, drought stress, all inside a laptop. This is not science fiction. Scientists already use crop models like APSI, DSSA, Aquacrop, and WAFOS to predict crop growth and future yields. And some of these systems are surprisingly accurate. Imagine asking a computer, what happens if rainfall drops by 30%? What happens if temperatures increase by 3 degrees? What happens if farmers reduce fertilizer use? The computer can simulate years of farming in just minutes. Scientists can test thousands of farming strategies without planting a single seed. That means less cost, less risk, faster research, and smarter farming. But here is the really mind-blowing part. Modern crop models are now being connected with artificial intelligence, drones, satellites, weather forecasts, soil sensors, and robotics. A drone flies over a farm. Satellites collect information from space. Weather stations monitor climate conditions. Then AI combines everything together. And suddenly, the crop model can predict future yield, crop stress, fertilizer demand, irrigation timing, and disease risk, before farmers even see the problem. In the future, every farm on Earth may have a digital twin, a virtual copy of the real farm, running inside a computer 24 hours a day. The digital farm may predict problems before they happen. It may tell farmers when to irrigate, when to spray, when drought is coming, where nutrients are low, and even how much profit they may make. This technology may become one of humanity's most important tools against climate change and food insecurity. Because by the end of this century, the world may need to feed more than 10 billion people with less water, less land, and more extreme weather. And crop models may help humanity prepare for that future. So the next time you see a farm, remember this. Some of the world's most important crops may already be growing inside a laptop. The future of farming may not begin in the field, it may begin in a computer.